Welcome, welcome. My name is Paula. Welcome, everyone. I'd like to welcome all the newcomers as well. If you've not seen me before, I do this as a hobby. I hope everybody's enjoying the recipes, and I hope everybody has a chance to comment and let me know what you think, or give me a thumbs up. That'd be really appreciated. So today I'm going to do stir-fried chicken, and I'm going to use my seasonings as a teriyaki. I lost my train of thought. I'm going to be making chicken teriyaki today, and I'm going to show you my version of how I do chicken teriyaki, and I'm going to do it in a skillet, not a wok, and I'm going to do a stir fry with the chicken and so forth. And I'm going to be using two types of noodles. I have a romaine noodle, and then I have a Thai noodle, and I'll show you those later as well. And I'll show you how I'm going to incorporate them together so that we can have one dish instead of using rice. Okay, so I'm going to begin, and I hope everybody enjoys. So today I'm going to start with, I'm going to cut up my bell peppers. I have a red one and a green one. I've got an onion as well. I'm going to put a little bit of flavor, a little bit of vegetables with it. I've got some radishes I got from the garden. I'm going to add a little peppery to it. And then we have our chicken, which is the star. So I'm going to start cutting up, and then once I start cutting up the vegetables, I'm going to cut up the chicken into small pieces. All right.
And I pour the teriyaki sauce over it. Mix it up really well before I put it in. Have it on about medium heat. And it gets thick very fast.